Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm coming with one more new topics for all of you. So today my topics will be related about the patience and about the focus. So and it is very good examples also I'm going to give you, okay, where you can get a good idea from that examples, okay. But as well as before I start my topics, I would like to request to all of you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and hit button the like also, and as well as try to share my video as much as you can. So when we talk about the focus and the patience, first of all, just tell me like one thing. Suppose if I ask any one of you, those whoever is watching my videos, if I am asking that how much the trust is required in any kind of profession, okay, how much the trust is required in any kind of profession. Like example, you know the cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, right? How much he will trust himself when he was playing for the country, or when he was trying to focus in the cricket career, right? Then examples like I'll say the Mary Kom is there, right? Mary Kom, the Northeast boxer, right? How much she have given her level best, okay? How much she trust herself, isn't it? That to become a great boxer, right? And then after that, like Zakir Hussain is there, Amitabh Bachchan is there, like okay, Zakir Hussain, the most famous tabla, like he can play, isn't it? Then how much they trust in their profession. Amitabh Bachchan is there, very good actor, isn't it? The famous Bollywood superstar, right? So when I talk about them, like if I ask you that how much they trust themselves, obviously you guys will answer me that they trust themselves 100%. 100%. Nobody is there that in their profession they trust themselves only 99%. First is required the belief, that you have to trust in yourself to do anything in your life. The belief is required. You cannot have the 99% of belief. 100% means 100%. Then only in any professions wherever you are, you can be success. It's not that okay, Amitabh Bachchan is a superstar, he was fighting for the acting before, right? And after 2 3 years when he cannot able to be a superstar or something, then he didn't become a singer, no, he still become an actor only, because he focused only in his career. He loved his own profession, he loved his own job, right? Virat Kohli is there, right? Mahendra Singh Dhoni is there, Zakir Hussain is there. After playing tabla, Zakir Hussain, it does not mean that okay, after 2 3 years he changed his profession once again to piano. Oh, I don't think so, tabla is giving me career, let me go for the piano, violin, anything, isn't it? So it is not like that. Amitabh Bachchan, after doing actor, he didn't become singer also. Zakir Hussain, after when he is fighting for the like for his career to be a great player, like what is that, to play a good tabla in all over the world, right? He can play music. That it does not mean that from tabla he go for the violin or piano or guitar. Right, Virat Kohli does not require that after when he was playing for the country. Sachin, when he was playing for the country for fighting for the crickets and all, it does not mean that they started to play hockey once again, because they thought that maybe it's not my type of job, it's not my type of profession, isn't it? Mary Kom, after she become the boxer, like not after, I mean when she was fighting for to become a great boxer, she don't believe that she can be like that also, right? But when she really realized herself, and when she really focused on her career, right, and she give her 100% effort, and she become a great boxer also. It does not mean that in the middle she become to go for the wrestling, right? So in any professions, what I mean to say is that any professions wherever you are, first things is required the focus, and you have to be patient to achieve that goal. Many times, like many peoples are there, okay, like according to my judgment, according to me, like me also, I'm in one kind of profession, right? According to my judgment also, there are many candidates, there are many students, there are many young generation peoples are there who keeps on changing their profession. I used to see, according to my judgment, after working 1 year 2 year, they are not satisfied, they go in somewhere else once again after 1 year 2 year, they are not satisfied over there, they are changing their job. If you ask them, okay, like especially in my office when I am taking some kind of interviews and all, okay, so whenever I used to ask them like, have you ever worked before, they used to give me a long list about the work. Okay, I used to work this one, I used to work that one, this happened, that happened, that happened, lots of long list it's come. But actually in reality you have to focus first. Suppose you are having one particular goal in your life to do something, and you have aimed that yes, this is my future, this is my career, and I really want to go for this one only, and I will not move back, then you focus better on that one. Sometimes some people are there without goal, without any focus, they are just walking like that. Then how it is possible that you can achieve your success in your life, or you can build your career, whatever in which field you are? And if you really keep on try, whether it is taking 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year, or 4 year, or 5 year, does not matter. But if you are patient enough, and if you are focused in that goal only, nobody can stop you to become success in your life. 100% sure you will become. Nobody can stop, nobody dare to stop you. But if you give up in the middle, that means again the same thing will start. Don't think that in this profession it is difficult, and if you go in other profession then it will be easy. Nothing is like that. Nothing is easy in this world. Whatever you do in your life, everything you have to start from the root. And if you can complete, if you can reach your destiny until the end, then you are the successful person. Clear? So that is the thing what I want to tell all of you, that be focused to your career, right? And be original for your career. Don't be dishonest in your work, right? Be patient to your work. Work until and unless you are achieving your goal. Patience, working till to the last minute, like that. You have to be, patience level should be very high, because sometimes it's required our patience. We lost our patience, we lost our focus. That's why a lot of people are there, they cannot able to reach their target. Clear? So that only I want to share with you guys for today. Okay, so I hope that you really like what I mean to say is that, and if you really like, then please don't forget to share my channel, and as well as to subscribe also if you are new to my channel, and like the videos also. Thank you all of you. Bye bye guys, take care.